In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy to your Getresponse landing page using the fastest method possible. We'll keep this really straightforward so you can follow along as you work on your own page. First, make sure you're logged into your Getresponse account and you already have a landing page created. Once you're in, look for the main menu and go to the section called Tools. Under Tools, you'll see an option for landing pages. Click on that to open the list of all the landing pages in your account. From this list, find the landing page where you want to add your privacy policy. On the right-hand side of that project, you'll see an option to edit the page. Click Edit Page, and this will take you into the landing page editor, where you can change the content and layout of your page. Inside the editor, you'll see a panel or toolbar on the right-hand side that contains different elements you can add to your page. Look for the text block element. This is the basic text component you can drag and drop anywhere on your landing page. Click and drag that text block down to the bottom of your page or wherever you'd like your privacy policy link to appear. Most people place it in the footer area so it's easy to find but doesn't distract from the main call to action. Once the text block is in place, click inside it to start editing. Type the words privacy policy. Keep it short and clear so visitors immediately know what it is. Now you want to turn that text into a clickable link. Highlight the words privacy policy with your mouse. In the text editor toolbar that appears above or near the block, look for the chain icon, which represents a hyperlink or link option. Click this chain icon, and a small window will pop up asking for a URL. Paste the full URL of your existing privacy policy page into this field. This could be a link from your website, a hosted document, or any dedicated privacy policy page you already have set up. After pasting the URL, confirm or apply the change. You should now see that the text privacy policy is styled as a link. To be safe, use the preview option in Getresponse to check your landing page. Scroll down, click the privacy policy link, and make sure it opens the correct page. Once everything looks good, save your changes and publish or update your landing page.